Hi. Um, I am the meerkat, and I am the narrator, and I am Alec. And Brutus is Cam, and Antony is Dan, and Lepidus is Grant. Okay. And Octavius is Brandon. And Cassius is Skylar. And Lucilius is Thomas. And the first soldier is also Thomas.
Stephen Monkey, William Matthews, and Arik
the second and third soldiers are Grant.
Stephen Monkey, William Matthews, and Arik
And Masala is Dan. And Caesar's ghost is Cam. Scene 1.
We must kill the snake and the leopard.
I agree, Anthony.
Lepidus, go get us Caesar's legacy of fried chicken so we may decide how to reduce the amount all the other animals get.
Where should I meet you?
Here in the capital.
Exit Lepidus.
Should Lepidus really be one to share the power with us?
He is a very good hunter, Antony.
We'll keep him here only temporarily, so that he may take the blame for any false actions we might make.
Antony is siding against Lepidus to essentially increase his own power. They only keep him now to bear any public criticism.
Well, you brought him to us.
He is just like a warthog, Octavius. He must be trained and bid go forth into battle. We must quickly go to defeat Brutus and Cassius before they defeat us.
Misty, Theo, Green,
Yes, because they are out to get us.
Alex Pereira. Report
Scene 2. Enter Brutus, Lucilius, and Pindarus, and the soldiers. Brutus and Lucilius stand apart from Pindarus.
Down the line, sit and stay. Down the line, sit and stay.
Hello, Pindarus. Cassius sends a good bird to greet me, but does he insult me by not arriving himself?
Pindarus moves closer.
My noble master will appear.
I don't doubt he will, Lucilius. A growl with you.
Brutus and Lucilius move away from Pindarus.
Yes, my lord.
How did Cassius treat you while you were with him?
I do know that Cassius wants to stay with us tonight.
Yes, when a hot friend cools, the love one shared tends to return into awkward politeness. Speak up, Peli. Here's Cassius now.
Enter Cassius.
Baboons, stay.
I've never insulted anyone in my life, not even my enemies, so how could I have wronged my brother?
Brutus, this sober state of yours hides wrongs.
Brutus moves quickly towards Cassius.
Quiet, Cassius. Not in front of the armies.
Silence, then, until we're in a closer setting, so we can discuss.
Lucilius.
Lucilius and Pindarus run closer.
Yes, my lord. Yes.
Tell the army to move away from my tank and pitch their own.
Pindarus, same orders.
Scene 3. Enter Brutus and Cassius. Brutus sitting one side of the desk and Cassius at the other.
You have accused me of taking bribes.
You've only managed yourself.
This is no time to criticize every nice offense.
Emphasis on the S in Cassius.
Do condemn yourself, Cassius. For having an itchy paw and selling yourself in gold.
If it were anyone other than you, Brutus, I would bite and kill you. And besides, I have no paw.
Or not, you degrade the laws set by Rome.
Do I?
Remember when we killed Caesar? Did we not do it to maintain justice? And you defy then that justice by making these bribes.
Do not bait me, Brutus. I am a soldier older in practice and more able to make conditions.
You are not.
Yes, I am.
No.
Yes, Brutus, I am.
Cassius.
I am the older soldier.
Roar. No, Cassius, you are not the better soldier.
You wrong me every way, Brutus. I am an older soldier, not the better. Did I say better?
I don't care if you did.
If you care for your life, you will tempt me no further, or I may do something I will be sorry for.
You have already done what you should be sorry for. I am not afraid of your idle threats, Cassius, for I am so strong in honesty that they pass me by like wind in the grass. And how can I respect you? I can't raise money dishonestly, and when I sent you for the finger licking currency, you denied me, and I would rather die than steal the hard-earned chicken from the peasants.
I denied you not.
Yes, you did.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
I did not, Brutus. I made a mistake. Friends should not notice friends' faults.
I do not like your faults.
Oh, Antony and Octavius, come and kill me now. Stab me like we stabbed Caesar, for I am hated by a person I love. I would cry my soul from my eyes.
Calm yourself, Cassius.
Enter Lucilius and comes towards Brutus and Cassius.
Brutus, my lord. Some crazy old rhyming goat wants to see.
Send him away. We have no need for him.
And bring us some Kool-Aid, Lucilius.
Yes, sir.
Except Lucilius.
Why do these griefs flow from you?
I suffer from many griefs. Portia is dead.
What? Portia? How?
She was killed. Killed by a wild African.
Portia. Wit.
Brutus continues sobbing while Cassius stands awkwardly.
We must discuss the coming battle. But better to mourn a different time.
Philippi.
Philippi! That was scary.